Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if you have done the live streaming from your PC. Okay, this is my page. So I have just completed my live in Instagram. So it says live as ended. Okay, Discord video. So if you do Discord video, right, you will not be able to find this video on your Instagram in PC, but you can get it on your Instagram app. So clearly they are saying to download your video, view this app, view this in your archive on Instagram app. So go to hamburger menu, tap this settings at activity and tap this archive, and whatever right we have did the live, you can see this video here. So here, right, this is the video, just tap it, tap the video to download, and here you can see these options in this bottom. Download, just download it, automatically it will be. So in my PC you can share the latest one. Okay, this is the video. So that's it friends, hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback to my forms. Thank you, bye and take care.